Let me show you how to create a professional clickable PDF with easy navigation. Start by setting up your document with a title page and several content pages. On your title page, select the first headline text. Go to the link option and choose the corresponding page number from the drop-down menu. Click Done to confirm. Repeat this process for each remaining headline. Now let's add a return button. Create a back to top text box in the corner of each content page. Link this text to your main title page. Want to include external links too? Simply right-click any text, select Link, and paste your web address. When finished, go to Share and select Download as PDF. Make sure all pages are selected before exporting. Open your completed PDF to test it. Each headline now jumps directly to its section, and your return button brings readers back to the start.